everyone, I'm gonna show you how to check my activity on Google. So go ahead and open Google and sign into your Google account. Next, click your profile at the top right. Next, click Manage your Google account. Next, go to Data and Privacy. So once you're here, scroll down and go to View My Activity. So right away, you'll get a timeline of your activity, including searches you made on Google, videos you watched on YouTube, websites visited using Google Chrome if sync is on, and app activity from your phone. So you can scroll down like a feed, and newest activity will show you at the top. So at the top of the page, so click search your activity from here to find something specific. You can also use filter by date to narrow it down. So you can choose a time frame and select the date and click on apply. Then on the left side, so if you want something more organized, so you can click other activity. So this shows things like location history, YouTube history, voice or audio activity, etc. So control what gets tracked. So here under activity control, so you can pause tracking, you can turn off specific types of activity, you can set auto delete so it clears itself after time, etc. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.